Selina! Selina! As the mother of the nation, I must give respect. Bubuirine whispers to me. Memories left undone, skeletal bones of our homes left untorched, eroding, paying homage to our half moon, bleeding generations of cancer and illnesses. In the pool of the tides, a dance of tug of war with the moon, nature's raw response at the move of my aunt, and the many more empty vessels that came before and after her, gave birth to defects, little cousins I could not help but fear. Where, oh sweet Leem, where did your ear go? Can you hear me? Why, my precious, is an old man's face on my little cousins? Your face should not be creased with the weight of the world already. Few days later, my heart, why are you so silent? Auntie, why do they lie in that box alone? Blanketed in the snow of eternal strife, gay children run, elders hard at work, white angels they became, punished for the greed of the world, for the good of mankind. Fallen angels they become, their stories no longer powerful chants, Roro of my grandparents they become, timid scribble strokes weaving letters, black and white films they are forever entrapped in. 1997, a Karen Nunag was born. She will read her people's prose in glossy papers in the eyes of her elders, whose wisdom pronounced in their humble shoulders, emoting respect. In their humble shoulders, she finally saw perseverance. She calls forth her people, the ancient chant, timid strokes, black and white films. They shall rewrite history, open the vessel's long clock, in the high rise they will turn the tide. We will turn the tide. Bulbul, as the daughter of the nation, yet Tautok, I give you my respect. I go down on my knees. I bow down my head. I am sorry, for I will rise. For you I will fight. For you, for you, for you, I will